This tutorial will show you how to create and send a new email. Click the New Email icon or tap F2. A pop-up window will open. You see two areas. In the top, you choose email address, receivers, and subject. Below, you compose. First, choose an email address to send your email from. Click on the email address next to From and choose from the drop-down menu. Choose Recipient by clicking on the arrow on the right side of either To, CC or BCC. In this drop-down, choose the tab you wish to select from, adding recipients by double-clicking on them, and they will appear in the bottom. You can easily filter from the row in order to locate certain receivers. You can also choose an existing mailing list. Choose the Mailing List tab. Select by double-clicking. When selecting mailing lists, they will automatically appear as BCC. You can insert several mailing lists to the same email. When you are done, click on the drop-down arrow again. After selecting your recipients, enter a subject, then write your email and press Send. reMARK. Subscribe for more tutorials.